Hello. Some time ago, a customer sent me some pictures of his rear gravel wheel, asking me if I could help him. The rim was cracked and he wanted to know if I could deliver and build in a new full carbon rim, preferably one with the same characteristics. Willier SLR36GRV disc gravel wheels are wheels with mesh straight pull hubs, full carbon rims and straight pull aero spokes. I found them here on the side of Bike Inn at a price of €1,350, which I would say is a bit much. The original rim has an inner width of 24 millimeters and a height of 36 millimeters. Now, a rim height of 36 millimeters is a bit unusual, but I thought that a 35 millimeter rim height, which is more usual, might fit, provided that the spokes weren't too short. Obviously, when you use a lower rim, the spokes need to be longer. But a difference of 1 millimeter often isn't that much of a problem. Fortunately, in the Willier wheel, there turned out to be washes of about 1 millimeter under the nipples. So by not using them for the new wheel, the original spokes would be perfect. The new rim didn't require the use of these washers anyway, so in this regard there wasn't a problem. I did, however, advise the customer to use brass nipples instead of aluminium nipples, as I wasn't 100% sure that the spokes would be long enough for aluminium nipples. On why that is, on why aluminium nipples require a bit longer spokes, I will make a new separate video shortly. And finally, there was the finish of the rim. From the finishes we could choose from, UD satin seemed the best and turned out to be perfect.